Hello and welcome to another milk review episode on this channel. So we do a lot of milk review, and why do we do this? Well, especially in the Philippines, whenever I go there and I change the milk that I use with my drinks, the taste also changes. So it's very, very important that you try different brands of milk for your coffee, especially if you have a coffee shop or a milk tea shop and you are using fresh milk. Today, it is going to be a comparison among, I would say, the premium brands that are used in the Philippines. I have here Magnolia Fresh Milk, Cowhead Pure Milk, and also Anchor Fresh Milk. In terms of price, they are not very far off, with Anchor being the most expensive. Cowhead and Magnolia, very similar in price. They are over 100 pesos, but then it is the premium brand as far as the Philippines is concerned. So we're going to find out how they seem like, how they taste with coffee, and how they taste on their own. So stay tuned until the end of this video clip. Let's take a look at the composition of each of these different brands of milk. Let's start with Magnolia. Magnolia said it is made from pure, fresh, homogenized cow's milk, and it is from the Philippines. We have Cowhead that claims it is also from natural fresh milk, and it is from Australia. And finally, Anchor, which claims it is made with 100% fresh milk. It is from New Zealand. In terms of the shelf life, Magnolia says it has to be consumed within 3 to 5 days. Cowhead says it has to be consumed within 5 days of opening. And Anchor says it has to be consumed within 7 days of opening. And everyone says that they have to be kept chilled and refrigerated once opened. Looking at their nutrition facts, they're all very similar. So I suppose it is now down to the taste. First, I am going to try them on their own. Okay, I'm starting with Magnolia Fresh Milk. I'll just pour it here. Cowhead, they are all brand new and also chilled. And finally, Anchor. When I go to the Philippines, I normally use Anchor. So I haven't really tried Magnolia Fresh Milk. This is the first time, but I interchange Anchor and Cowhead. But now we are comparing these three brands side by side. In terms of color, they're all very similar. Smell, fresh milk. The smell of Magnolia is the strongest. Smells so much of milk. Okay, let me just give this a try. Okay. Okay. Well, I would say Cowhead and Anchor, very similar in taste, with Magnolia having a little bit of something more like a sweeter taste than this two. This two tastes so much just like fresh milk without any sweetener. This is somehow slightly sweeter, but they are all equally good. That's on their own. Now let's find out when we mix it with coffee. I'm going to make piccolo latte, just 1 shot of coffee for all the 3 drinks, and then I'm going to steam each one, and we'll see how they fare in terms of steaming and then the eventual taste of the drink. Okay, we're going to start by pulling my espresso shots. I'm going to use my medium roast coffee beans here and pull single shots for each of my cup, which is 4 ounces. So these are for piccolo latte. And I'm going to pull 1 more shot for this. So I've got my 2 single shots here. And whilst waiting for that, I'm going to start by steaming Magnolia Fresh Milk. Okay, that steams rather well. Smooth and silky. Now this is Magnolia. Next I'm going to steam Cowhead. Okay, so we'll start same process. It is a little bit more foamy, but it could be because of the way I steamed the milk. That's Cowhead. Very silky. And to pour into my piccolo latte. And the final one, I am going to steam Anchor. Now I must say that steams probably the best, but it all really depends on how you steam your milk, okay? So all the milk steamed rather well, but I found that Cowhead is a little bit more foamy. I can also see it here is rather too foamy, but it could be because of the way I steamed the milk. I mean, these three ones I probably didn't steam it all the same way, but they are equally good in terms of steaming. Now I'm going to try them with my coffee. I think the way I steamed this one is more like a cappuccino than a latte. I prefer my drink to be flat white. That means very thin milk foam. But the taste is good, I must say. I'll try the other one. This one. I think that the taste of the coffee is more prominent with Anchor, and with Cowhead it's a little bit too foamy. The taste of the coffee is also good, and Magnolia. Well, I really cannot tell which is the best. I think these three brands are equally good. Right. So I would say any of these three drinks would be perfect for your coffee and for steaming, especially for hot coffee drinks. Up next, I'm going to compare these three brands if we use syrup. Does it really matter what brand of milk you use once you add flavored syrup into your coffee? And also, we are going to use the same three brands and find out which is the best for fresh strawberry milk. That's all I have for today. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Also check out my books, All Things Milk Tea and The Basic Barista. Details on how to order in the description box below. I'll see you again for more of these video clips. In the meantime, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.